I think what's great about the Gemeco culture is no matter the level of experience you have, we all come together as a team to solve problems.
It's not a one-size-fits-all, and so that's really what has made Gemeco so unique over all the years, is that technical expertise to quickly help and quickly ship and just solve problems quickly for our dealers.
We don't like leaving anything on the hook. It's got to be fixed.
I've had times where I've been working on the phones and we've got last minute orders. Our UPS guy's ready to back in, and I jump out there and get it boxed up so we can get that order going.
We are for the customer, and that's what, when it comes to packing, making sure the stock is corrected, making sure their orders leave out on time is definitely very customer oriented.
At Gemeco, we don't just sell products, we provide solutions.
One thing you can say about Gemeco, and our dealers will attest to this, is that every time they call into Gemeco, a human being answers the phone.
Coming to Gemeco is the way to get the right information the first time.
The light commercial market is an area that we haven't had a lot of exposure to. We've been expanding into it recently. The introduction of the Airmar SmartFlex and our new diesel fuel meters are ideally suited to that marketplace.
Airmar Smart Boat's a really great product. We can convert old diesel engines for fuel flow, which we do a lot of right now, to have fuel flow on their Neiman network on their displays. You can also retrofit just about any boat with it.
TDT testers in the marine tech's hands is a godsend to us. It's firsthand knowledge of what's going on inside that transducer. Your MFDs, as important as they are only basically the screen for the heartbeat that is giving it all the data, which is your transducer. Gemeco and Airmar have the mix and match program that is absolutely superior by far. So when you're changing from Furuno to Garmin, or Garmin to Raymarine, or to Simrad, it's not a matter of splicing and cutting and putting them together, whereas it's just replacing a simple mix and match cable.
My biggest thing is talking to different people. There's always going to be a phone call, whether it's a sat phone in the Pacific or the Bahamas. It could be local like Charleston. I mean, you never know who's on the other end of the phone, and you never know what you can do to help that person, but once you provide them the advice, you find them the answers they need, it makes you feel better as a person to know that you may have even saved a life, or you could have just caught someone a fish. So to make their day better makes my day better.
So working closely with manufacturers and vendors to launch innovations and technology that make a real impact is extremely satisfying.
Great place to work, great products. We got anything you need.
It's great coming to work, and especially going to shows, being around boats.
Being able to get that fast answer that's very technical is very satisfying to know that we can give that back to the industry.